Hello, my lovely viewers. Let's take a quick look at this question. This question we are asked, which of this is an acid salt? Which of these options here is an acid salt? Now, firstly, what do you understand by salt? What do you understand? Now, a salt is formed when a hydrogen atom in an acid is completely or partially replaced by what? By either a metal or ammonium ion. Do you understand? A salt is formed when the hydrogen atom in an acid is being partially or completely replaced by what? By a metal or ammonium ion. Number two definition: a salt is formed when the positive ion of a base is combined with a negative ion of an acid, is what we call a salt. Now, for the first definition, look at HCl. When this HCl is replaced by a metal, it forms what we call a salt. For instance, now I replace this hydrogen ion by what? Well, by N, so we form what? NaCl. This is what? This is a salt. Do you understand? When the hydrogen ion in an acid is being replaced by either a metal or ammonium ion. Now, there are five major types of salt. Five major types of salt. Number one, we have a salt called normal salt. You call it normal salt, or you call it what? Simple salt. Number two, we call it acid salt. Number three, we have what? Basic salt. Number four, you have double salt. Now we are asked of what? Acid salt. I will explain to you maybe three. If you want the complete video, go to my YouTube channel or look at Ojemai TV. Ojemai TV on YouTube. Go and type salt by Ojemai. All this one have been explained. But for the sake of this question, I will only explain to what? To number three, so that it will not consume more time. Now, for a normal salt is formed when the hydrogen atom in an acid is completely replaced by a metal. Is completely replaced by what? By a metal. This hydrogen, look at this hydrogen here, is completely replaced by what? By a metal. Example of normal salt. When you see a salt like this, when you see a salt, example, we have what? NaCl. We have what? MgSO4. We have what? KCl. All this one are what? Example of what? We have what? NH4Cl. This is what, remember, when the hydrogen atom in an acid is completely replaced by either a metal or ammonium ion. Look at this here, ammonium or metal. Anytime you see this kind of salt, is what? A normal salt. A normal salt. Hydrogen ion in an acid is completely replaced by either a metal or what? Ammonium ion. Now, for an acid salt, which the question say an acid salt. An acid salt is formed, is a salt, a type of salt, when the hydrogen atom in this acid is partially replaced by what? By a metal. Is partially replaced by what? A metal. It means that it's not completely replaced. It's partially. For instance, now you have something like NaHSO4. Look at. Have you seen? You must see a presence. There must be a presence of what? Hydrogen ion in that salt. Do you understand? Of course, in normal salt, we always give acid salt. Will give you a characteristics of what? Of acid. Do you understand? You have something like this, KHSO4. Now, anytime you see a salt with hydrogen in the middle, of that compound, anytime you see a compound with hydrogen atom in the middle of that compound is what? Is a acid salt. Is an acid salt. So this one, our answer is what? Let's check. Look at this one there. This is what? Is an acid salt. This is what? A normal salt. Look at. Now, in the case of a basic salt, is formed when there is a partial replacement of hydroxyl ion in a metallic ion. For instance, you have what? Mg(OH)Cl. Anytime you see OH in the middle of metallic hydroxide, you see what? You see that salt is what? Is a basic salt. You see something like this, Ca bracket OH Cl. So anytime you see OH in the middle of a substance like this, is what? Is a basic salt. Is what? A basic salt. For instance, now this one is a basic salt. This one now, as it is said, this is what? A double salt. A double salt will always have a hydrated is always hydrated. Like if you see a molecule of water like this, is what? A double salt. Is different from a complex salt. Do you get that? So our answer is what? Our answer is option C. And acid salt, a partial replacement of what? Hydrogen ion in an acid. For more of this video, do what to like, share, and comment. Don't forget to follow this page. God bless you.